The transport and assembly of works of art are extremely delicate operations and a special service offered by Heavydrive. At the Alte Pinakothek in Munich, the Heavydrive team dismantled the glass showcases of works from the 15th century using an assembly lift and a suction system. The systems suction off the glass blocks from two sides at the same time. This allows the showcases to be securely raised. Heavydrive installed oversized protective panes for a photographic exhibition in the Brandhorst Museum in Munich. The panes were precision set in U-rails. In the Craiova Museum in Romania, Heavydrive handled the complex assembly of the Brâncuși Pavilion, which consists of differently sized glass panes in special configurations. Heavydrive developed a special suction system featuring spacers, via which the panes weighing up to 4,000 kilograms were securely set in place. Heavydrive also offers customized solutions for the transport of bulky, large, or heavy works of art. For an exhibition by Rudolf Bott, the Heavydrive team transported tables weighing up to 1,000 kilograms over a 4.5-meter high inner balcony. A single operator guided the object by remote control. The work of art was precisely positioned with complete success thanks to the tilting assembly jib. And in the Five Continents Museum in Munich, Heavydrive technology was used to transport and set up an oversized Buddha. The Heavydrive systems are compact and fit through narrow passages. The devices leave behind no surface marks even on delicate museum floors. The assembly aids have an electric drive and are emission-free. This makes the Heavydrive assembly solutions perfect for transporting delicate works of art.